Join us as we explore an impressive 17 cutting-edge tools from Makita's freshest offerings this year. Makita consistently raises the bar when it comes to tool innovation, and 2026 proves no exception, combining raw strength, smart design, and technological advancement to handle demanding projects. Let's dive in and discover what awaits. Shifting focus to the Makita 40V Max XGT LED magnetic illumination system, this isn't your typical work light. It's an adaptable workhorse for brightening difficult-to-access areas. Its powerful magnetic attachment securely holds to any ferrous surface, freeing up both your hands. The adjustable brightness system offers 3 intensity levels, ranging from 500 lumens for subtle illumination up to 1200 lumens for maximum visibility, so you're always equipped with the ideal setting. The head features impressive articulation, rotating 180 degrees vertically and a full 300 degrees horizontally, allowing you to position light precisely where needed. Built to withstand demanding conditions as part of the powerful XGT ecosystem, it delivers extended operational time, lasting approximately 35 hours in low-intensity mode when paired with a 5.0 amp-hour battery. This fixture transforms workspace visibility and work efficiency. Continuing outdoors, Makita introduces the 40V Max XGT GHU04T, a brushless, cordless 24-inch single-sided hedge cutter. This machine prioritizes accuracy and strength for professional hedge and shrub upkeep. It produces equivalent cutting force to a 22.7 cc gas trimmer, supplying necessary muscle for substantial limbs while maintaining the silent, emission-free advantages of battery-powered operation. The 24-inch shear comprises distinctive, sloped, 3-pointed cutting surfaces engineered to grasp and stabilize limbs, producing sharp, efficient cutting with reduced resistance. 3 selectable cutting frequencies let you fine-tune performance based on branch diameter, plus a reversal capability to dislodge trapped branches. An Elemaster shock dampening system reduces user strain, paired with impressive endurance, up to 8 hours of continuous operation using a 5.0 amp-hour XGT battery. First on our list is the Makita presents the 40V Max XGT GRU04, a brushless, cordless 17-inch heavy-duty string trimmer. This machine replicates the cutting capacity of a 30 cc gas trimmer while eliminating the noise, emissions, and upkeep associated with petroleum engines. It's constructed for challenging assignments, delivering 20% increased torque compared to previous models to conquer dense vegetation. The broad 17-inch cutting deck accelerates yard coverage, boosting overall work speed. Choose between 3 distinct RPM levels, 4,000, 4,600, or 6,000 rotations per minute, while the hardened metal drive shaft minimizes oscillation and extends equipment lifespan, ensuring operator comfort during marathon sessions. The automatic line advance system with fast load bump feed makes replacement incredibly convenient. This represents genuine professional-grade landscaping equipment, all compatible with the XGT platform. Moving into professional applications, consider the Makita 40V Max XGT brushless, cordless reciprocating pipe cutter with integrated locking vise. This equipment revolutionizes work for plumbers, fitters, and fabricators handling oversized piping. It reproduces the output of a 15-amp line-powered reciprocating saw with unrestricted portability and performs up to 40% quicker than comparable corded equipment. The standout feature is the integrated chain vise, accommodating materials up to 8 5/8 inches in circumference, delivering rock-solid, dependable cuts. Operation works equally effectively with or without the vise. A precision variable speed control adjusts motion frequency to a maximum of 2,200 strokes per minute, while the 1-inch blade span ensures swift material removal. Weighing merely 9.9 pounds when paired with a 2.5 amp-hour battery, muscle exhaustion diminishes across extensive workdays. The GRJ03 redefines what's achievable in cordless pipe fabrication, combining incredible acceleration with pinpoint precision. Now addressing structural fastening, The Makita 40V Max XGT framing nailer integrates pneumatic-grade capability without pneumatic infrastructure. This equipment excels at speed, achieving over double the nailing velocity compared to past iterations, substantially accelerating frame assembly work. It effortlessly embeds clipped head fasteners measuring 2 to 3.5 inches into engineered materials with outstanding authority. Battery longevity impresses as well, deploying upwards of 1,020 fasteners from one charge using a 2.5 amp-hour XGT battery. A dual setting selector provides sequential dispatch or trigger-activated fastening, complemented by tool-free tension settings for flush or seated fastening. At just 11.9 pounds, including battery, extended shifts remain manageable. For completing detailed finishes, check out the Makita 18V LXT Brushless Cordless 2.5-inch angled finish nailer 15-gauge model. This equipment emphasizes exacting placement and powerful fastening for intricate completion jobs. Its narrow tip profile shines through here, permitting insertion into tight recesses and precise fastener positioning essential for fine woodwork. Productivity impresses, driving roughly 2,000 fasteners per battery charge, utilizing a 5.0 amp-hour LXT battery. Tool-free fastener seating adjustment guarantees flush or indented fastening, alongside protective rubber tip for surface preservation. This compact and lightweight machine suits carpenters doing trim work and remodeling professionals demanding reliable high-performance fastening independent of air compression systems. Named the XNB08, it guarantees flawless detail work and quality outcomes. For substantial timber operations, the Makita 40V Max XGT 20-inch chainsaw emerges as a game-changing solution. This machine replicates the capabilities of a 50cc gasoline chainsaw while delivering all cordless advantages. Performance exceeds comparative 50cc machines by approximately 25% in cutting speed, generating remarkable productivity. Experience instantaneous throttle response and complete power upon switch activation. Forget about cold starts or engine priming. It offers 3 selectable chain velocities, achieving 5,700 feet per minute maximum pace, combined with proportional trigger modulation for exact operation. Built-in security prevents chain motion instantly via electronic stoppage mechanism. Manufacturing incorporates intensive protection innovation, XPT, guaranteeing dependability despite rain exposure. Marketed as the GCU08, this equipment redefines expectations for battery-driven saws, delivering peaceful operation, minimal upkeep, and zero discharge benefits, making it excellent for professional cutters and grounds professionals. The GCU08 represents what contemporary chainsaw engineering can accomplish. Finishing projects become significantly less bothersome with the Makita XBU07. This triple-function brushless blower suction device in mulching unit handles yard projects with remarkable effectiveness. Its blower setting produces 148 CFM alongside 143 miles per hour wind velocity. Switching to collection mode generates 215 CFM with 13 inches suction capacity. The distinguishing element is its hardened shredding impeller that compresses mulch at 10:1 proportions, signifying 10 bags condensed to just 1. Remarkably, it generates merely 62 decibels, substantially quieter compared to petroleum alternatives. Variable functioning combined with adjustable motor speed manages battery consumption versus performance. The 6.6-gallon reservoir requires emptying throughout bigger projects, yet for standard seasonal upkeep, it's economical, functional, and straightforward. Individuals desiring equipment reducing labor while preserving power should strongly consider this. Continuing landscaping specialty apparatus, the Makita GEU01 addresses one of the sector's lengthiest assignments with dependable efficiency and outstanding precision. This 40-volt Max XGT edger delivers strength matching a 31cc petroleum edger without the complexity, discharge, or refueling issues. The 8-inch cutting blade merged with stepwise speed regulation furnishes smooth, managed operation. It reproduces 31cc gas equipment performance in a wire-free, maintainable system. The 8-inch blade alongside changeable velocity control provides accurate delineation alongside concrete and planting spaces. A hardened central shaft minimizes oscillation, lessening operator exhaustion while improving sturdiness. A sightline aid promotes straighter delineation, whereas fast wheel configurations simplify deepness modifications. A protection flap and extended protection shield reduce rubble dispersion, creating a cleaner working area. Weighing approximately 14.1 pounds including battery, it exceeds some competitors heaviness-wise, yet its potent construction and accurate function deserve the trade-off. Specialized HVAC technicians benefit significantly from the Makita DVP-181ZK, a battery-powered suction device created for demanding maintenance work. It handles refrigeration systems effectively with its pair-level building and 4 CFM capacity. A prominent characteristic is a magnetic inversion stopper, preventing reverse circulation even as electrical reserves diminish, sustaining steady suction. Single battery functioning works, plus 2 battery connections supplies sequential discharge, delivering approximately 60-minute capability utilizing 2 6-amp-hour batteries. The mechanism generates suction exceeding 75 micrometers, fulfilling professional performance criteria for hermetic, uncontaminated coolant circuits. Portable and lightweight, it functions on building roofs, basement spaces, and traveling assistance assignments lacking AC availability. Though not engineered for comprehensive commercial applications, it proves indispensable for wandering HVAC specialists. Technicians value its steady functioning, and despite high costs, delivers value across frequent refrigeration jobs. Looking for extraordinary drilling capability? The Makita 40V Max GPH03 represents Makita's most forceful impact drill, producing an astounding 1,590 inch-pounds maximum rotational force. It's manufactured for the most demanding boring and driving scenarios in timber work, concrete, and metal fabrication, demonstrating exceptional capability across applications. 3 distinct velocity configurations let you balance rotational speed versus driving strength, achieving up to 2,600 rotations per minute and 36,000 per minute impacts. 41 electronic slip clutch settings provide meticulous fastening command. The reinforced grip handles strengthen stability during extreme torque application, whereas the solid metal collet guarantees construction site longevity. This machine tackles virtually every challenge. Addressing accuracy grinding work, meet the Makita 40V Max XGT Brushless Cordless GDG01, a 1/4-inch switch-activated die grinder. Though compact in proportions, this apparatus delivers substantial power, offering accelerated grinding performance, up to 40% quicker than competing models. Its 1/4-inch chuck accommodates wheels reaching 2 inches in circumference. A stepwise 5-position variable control manages RPM from 7,000 to 29,000 options. The activation lever and lock characteristic permit unbroken operation, whereas immediate electronic braking enhances output and operational protection. A 360-degree LED illumination ring encircles the workspace, guaranteeing visibility in all directions. This grinder emphasizes governing capacity, rotational velocity, and accuracy, rendering it indispensable for metalworking specialists and construction crews. The Makita XCM01Z represents an outstanding solution for expedited, accurate dividing in confined locations where conventional rotary grinders prove impractical. Remarkably light, at merely 2.6 pounds including battery, lengthy assignments create less physical strain. Its brushless mechanism operates at 20,000 cycles per minute, producing speedy sectioning via hardened metals, porcelain, plus other substances. Designed for one-handed operation, it proves pleasant whether positioned overhead or inside tight angles. An integrated bulb enhances illumination in dark workspaces, whereas clockwise and counterclockwise options increase adaptability. The tool-independent filter design promotes sanitation. A drawback involves filter button positioning, necessitating retraining when changing hand preference. Nevertheless, delivering industrial capability without excess weight, makes the XCM01Z an excellent choice for plumbing, electrical, or metalwork specialists working in narrow passages. For demanding environmental work, the Makita GMP01 40-volt Max XGT backpack dispersal apparatus targets specialists managing expansive territories economically. Its output parallels the 63cc petroleum disperser while remaining completely cordless. The brushless motor cycles between 13,800 and 25,000 revolutions per minute across 3 intensity configurations, and incorporating 2 8-amp-hour batteries supplies approximately 80 minutes continuous operation. Its 4-gallon reservoirs project approximately 46 linear feet, reaching coverage areas compact dispensers cannot. An intelligent battery changing system avoids operation interruptions. The variable intensity regulator permits metering from 261 to 505 CFM, whereas the weight distributing suspenders disperses equipment mass pleasantly. While pricing exceeds numerous petroleum options, pollutant-free functioning, reduced loudness, and smooth operation justify the cost. For home property professionals or farming specialists, this disperser represents an excellent premium seasonal investment, ensuring impressive usefulness. Following extended on-location assignments, maintaining beverages and provisions at appropriate conditions proves challenging, though the Makita DCW180Z resolves this readily. Beyond standard cargo coolers, it's a genuine compressor-type refrigeration system, functioning as a field refrigerator. It offers 6 temperature configurations, including 3 chill alternatives at 15 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, complemented with heating selections at 130 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, assuring applicability throughout seasons. Its 20-liter interior accommodates substantial refreshments and food provisions, and utilizing appropriate battery setups, functions for roughly 17 hours at 40 degrees Fahrenheit circumstances, or 5 hours at 0 degrees Fahrenheit circumstances. Electric powered by 18-volt LXT batteries, 12-volt or 24-volt transportation connections, or standard household 120-volt connectivity. Oversized chassis, built-in bottle access hardware, and USB capability supply convenience during travel. Principal drawbacks encompass premium expense and preset temperature increments. Metalworking becomes substantially more manageable with the GP01 punch unit. This equipment represents a 40-volt Max XGT cordless punch, performing 25% quicker compared to earlier models, penetrating 3/8-inch conventional metals and 8/32 nickel-based alloys precisely. The 360-degree turning control boosts flexibility, even in narrow or restricted circumstances. The automatic retrieval mechanism pulls the penetrator after each operation, guaranteeing uninterrupted workflow, whereas the settable distance gauge positions openings as near as 1 37/64 inches from borders. An integrated bulb brightens the operating region, plus the handle, incorporating mushy gripping, keeps extended functioning pleasant. A battery percentage indicator reveals remaining strength, with individual punch operations finishing in below 3.8 moments. Specialists appreciate the velocity and consistency. The main constraint involves elevated expenses, yet for building groups and fabrication companies, the cordless choice exceeds traditional machinery in versatility and convenience. Outside of the elevated price, the GP01 puncher really sets a benchmark for modern metalworking. There you have it, 17 impressive contemporary instruments from Makita's 2026 releases. Spanning workspace brightening to serious framework fastening, grounds care, and meticulous metalworking, Makita persists in providing forward-thinking innovations, streamlining jobs, and accelerating completion. Which piece of equipment captures your enthusiasm most? Express your thoughts underneath. Remember to appreciate this content, follow for coming articles, and enable announcements to keep current on fresh evaluations. Thank you for being here, and catch you following time.